Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the final video of the Taste of America series. This time we get you a vodka based cocktail and it is called Itr by Tito's. This cocktail is an ode to the versatility of vodka and the flavors it can take, and Vetiver, also known as Khus in India, a grass that is used in the perfume industry around the world, and Itra means perfume in Hindi. Very simple ingredients for the cocktail, starting with Tito's vodka, 100% corn based vodka, and also America's highest selling spirit. It toppled Jack Daniels as per last year's reports. That's the first one. Then we take the homemade Vetiver syrup, the recipe for which is in the link. Then we've got just 5 ml lime juice, because the acid balance will also come in with a red wine that we'll use to float, and this one is the Woodbridge by Robert Mondavi. It's a Merlot, and Robert Mondavi is the father of the American wine industry. So let's begin with some Vetiver syrup, 15 ml. Followed by 5 ml of lime juice, just that little bit of acidity, and then we go in for Tito's vodka. 45 ml. It's going to be a rather stiff drink to be drunk slowly, very concentrated, not a nice straight up. And now we are ready to shake it, because the Vetiver is pretty thick. It's easier to shake and mix all the ingredients together and get some dilution as well, so that the potency of vodka goes down. Let's give it a good shake and we should be ready to go. So after that good 15-second hard shake, it's time to strain the cocktail, and we put it in a pre-chilled glass. Let's use a double strainer to get rid of any glass particles. It's a very, very potent cocktail, and the idea behind this cocktail is to ensure that the essence of vodka remains while the other ingredients also shine, and the perfume like complexity comes in. Now to go further, we layer it with 10 ml of red wine. We're using a Merlot, and this is by Robert Mondavi. So you will see that it comes back up because of the viscosity and the difference in there. And just to give it a little more nuance, we finally use a lemon peel to get a little more fragrance in the cocktail, and we spray lemon oil around it, and that's it. We don't drop it in, and that's your Itra by Tito's ready. So now that our cocktail is ready, I'm just gonna get some more chakna, and this is the jalapeno popcorn. Some spice, some sweetness, some perfume. Let me taste this one. So the first whiff is that citrus oils that I had sprayed, followed by the berries from the Merlot. It's a 2014 Merlot, but still very, very fruity. It's retained itself really well. And let's take a sip. Starts off with the berries from the wine, then the vodka hits you, and finally it leaves you with that vetiver, woody, earthy note. So it's complex, and it unfolds itself in layers, and very, very potent cocktail. If you don't like it very, very hard on the spirit side, then this may not be for you, but it's a very interesting cocktail and good to make at home. So folks, I hope you liked the entire Taste of America series, and we look forward to come to you with more informative and indulgent videos like these. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.